YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am coming with you with a baking tutorial, my first ever baking tutorial. So today we are making condensed milk vanilla flavored cookies. They are simple, 30 minutes prep and baking time. So tune in if you wanna see. Like, they are gorgeous, guys. They are fluffy and crunchy and soft and all things nice. Like, you can just watch me eat them. And the sweetness, perfect. So first things first, you need to wash your hands because we are gonna get messy. Like, we're gonna work with our hands a lot, so they have to be clean. We are going to use 1 kg of self-raising flour. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and you need a large bowl like that. I'm making a mess. I make a mess when I bake, so yeah, don't be worried, you won't be able to see me in full for most of the video because I want you to see what's happening down here. I think we're gonna need a bigger bowl than that. Let's see if I can work with it though. Making a mess. And then I'm gonna open the center of sugar or a cup. With sugar you have to put as much as you feel like it will be enough for you. I sort of put that right in the center of it all. And then I have this, it's cream of tartar. Okay, so like, my hands are already getting messy this early into the video. I take a teaspoon. It's not even that full, if you can see. It's not even that heaped because if you put too much, it will taste funky. Then I'm gonna go back with the spoon just to mix in the dry ingredients together. Mix it in. So the moral of the story with flour, it's sensitive, so you don't want to over mix it, overbeat it, or you have this Chuck Norris hard scones, okay, or cookies, whatever. But in our case, the cookies I'm making, I use condensed milk. This is 385 grams of it. I'm just gonna go and, oh wow, it's making a mess already. Hey, this thing, guys. If you don't eat condensed milk, you're missing out. So I'm just gonna put it in a bowl like that. Guys, such gorgeousness. Into the condensed milk that we have in this bowl, I'm gonna put in 4 teaspoons. 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I guess that's 4 because it's spilling all over the place. 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I use this one right here. I'm gonna put that to the side, and then you mix it in. Such yummy. So you mix the wet ingredients together, the dry ingredients together. Yeah. Oh gosh. Father. This is amazing. Now that you have that, now this is where my hands start working. A brick of 70% fat spread. This is 500 grams. Yeah, 500 grams. Rava, the Roma. So now we're gonna get messy, get dirty. We're gonna massage. We're gonna massage our rama, our butter. You can use any fat spread, but growing up we've always baked using this one because it has enough fat. You see, it's already melted, so put it in. Don't throw it in like me because you'll end up making a mess. So bit by bit we'll get to the rest of it. Use a bigger bowl than I am using. Yo, this is not fun. So this is how you mix flour, eh? Put it in your hands and rub the butter in softly and gently. We are not fighting with it, eh? We are not kung-fuing our butter into the flour, but see, yeah, I think I'm gonna move to a bigger bowl because I'm gonna have a lot of cleaning up to do if I don't do that. So let me grab a bowl. So now, how do we know that the butter is mixed in? You're supposed to have crumbs, a crumb-like consistency. Let's look like that. We have sort of like crumbs. Yes! You have a crumb-like consistency. Now you know that your butter is well mixed in. Do not throw away this paper, ne? This paper is a very important paper. It's a very important wrap. So now you go back, make a well, and then now I think I should call myself the messy chef. Now, once you have the well, your wet ingredients, your yummy condensed milk must just go in there. Like, oh. All of it, all of it. You can swear 2-year-old is baking in here, but make a mess when I bake. Now you're gonna mix it in until it's dough-like consistency, cookie dough. I think I'm done. Before I start over mixing, then I make a rock. So now I'm just gonna clean up my surface and we start rolling, cutting, and I'm going to preheat my oven. Preheat your oven. Preheat your oven. Preheat my oven at 120. A lot of people preheat at 180. I don't know. I always end up burning my cookies if I preheat at 180. I am back. I've done a little bit of cleaning up, so we have a clean, clear surface. And now to roll out and to cut your cookies. I'm just cutting it on a glass chopping board like that. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour onto the glass. But glass doesn't stick as much. Whatever. Glass doesn't stick as much. So, and then I do not have a rolling pin, but we improvise. I have a glass, so you just rub it with flour and it works perfectly. So now I'm gonna take like a giant cookie dough. Then we're gonna put it on the surface and we're gonna roll it up, roll it up, roll it out, and roll it. We're gonna start cutting it. I just have a square cookie cutter, and then we cut. It's getting hot in here. I think the oven is ready, but it's just hot this time of the year. So yes, we cut them like that. Now I have like a flat baking tray. So remember when I said don't throw away this paper? This is what we use to oil our pan. So you oil your pan enough, so your cookies don't stick and they don't burn. They don't stick and burn. Now we're just gonna put our cookies on. Like it's easy peasy. Then we have like a square thingy. And then I'm just gonna lay them on the baking tray. So this 1 kg flour makes like a lot. Just like beat 1 egg in a bowl and then dip a spoon in, or if you have a brush, go in and egg wash the top of your scones. This is just the top of your biscuits, of your cookies. This just makes sure that it becomes really golden brownish. I'm just making sure I don't burn the first tray. So you egg wash. But this is optional. There are people who don't like eggs, and this recipe doesn't use eggs all along. So you can totally skip this, or you can brush them with milk instead of eggs. Now I've just laid my amazing squares on the tray. So now we're ready to go to the oven. There we have it. Our oven is warm enough. So I'm just gonna put it in for 15 to 20 minutes. You just need to check them frequently on how they're doing. So yes, and I'm gonna reduce I'm actually going to increase it. Was at 120, so about 140-ish degrees Celsius.